So today we're going to be doing some basic subtraction. And my video before I talked about like the strategy, just one of the strategies that I like to teach my kids for addition. And so this subtraction strategy is very similar, but hopefully it will help your student and help them realize that they are taking away and what we will do when we are taking away. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do the model of I do, we do, and then I'll give you some problems for you to do on your own. So let's start off with I do. Okay, so don't do anything yet. I just want you to watch what I do, okay? And then after this, after a few of these, then we will do some together, okay? So when you're doing subtraction, I like for my students to first look at the sign. So they know, okay, what am I going to do in this problem? Okay, so when I see that sign, I know that I'm going to take away, okay? And then remember for my addition strategy, sorry y'all, there's like a really bad glare on my board. For my addition strategy, and same with subtraction, I like for my kids to find the greater number. Okay, so when they do that for addition, that's just getting them ready for subtraction. So let's find the greater number, and we always circle the greater number. And in this case, it is 6, okay? And then, instead of underlining the smaller number, since we are taking away, we're going to slash the smaller number. So this lets them know I'm going to take away, I'm going to slash 2, okay? So after we have our bigger number circled, we know that we're going to draw that many dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I know that this sign means take away. And I'm going to take away how many? 2. So that means I'm going to slash through 2 of them. Here I go. 1, 2. Okay, now I count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then my answer is 4, okay? Make sure that they are not drawing 2 more over here because that would be addition. You want to make sure that they are marking out 2. So that's why I say slash 2. So they know they're not going to draw any down here. They're going to come over here and slash or mark out 2. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do okay. All right, so remember the first thing that I have my students do, sorry y'all, this glare is so bad. I have them circle the sign so they know they're going to take away. Okay, so that means that they're going to be slashing out some of them. All right, then I know that I'm going to circle my greater number, and in this case it's 5, and I'm going to slash 4. Okay, so I'm going to take away 4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw how many I have for my greater number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this sign means to take away, so I'm going to take away or slash through this many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and how many have I not slashed through? Just 1. So 1 is my answer. All right, so now let's do some together. Okay, so go ahead and get your board ready and your marker because we're going to do these together. I'm still going to walk you through it, but you're going to be actually writing these on your board. Let me see if I can move my... Sorry, y'all, that glare is just kind of bad. All right, so let me see if I do it this way. I don't know. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do these together. So whatever I write on my board, that's what you need to write on your board, okay? So let's do an easy one for you first. 3 minus 1 equals, okay? Let's go ahead and write this on your board. 3 minus 1 equals. And when we see this sign, we know that we are going to do what? Good. Take away. Okay, we are going to take some away. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to circle the greater number. And then since we are taking away, we're going to slash through the smaller number. Okay? All right, so go ahead and draw your 3 dots right here. 1, 2, 3. And we know that we are taking away. We're going to slash through how many? 1. Okay, I'm not drawing anymore. That would be addition. I'm slashing through what I already have, and I'm slashing through 1. 1. Okay, now let's see how many I have left that I did not slash through or I did not take away. 1, 2. So my answer is 2. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and erase it. We're going to do another one together. Okay, let's do another sort of kind of easy one. Okay, go ahead and write this on your board. 4 minus 3, or 4, I'm starting with 4 and I'm taking away 3. Okay, go ahead and circle that sign so we know what to do. I'm taking away. Okay, so all this is telling me is that I'm starting with 4 and I'm taking away 3. Okay, so you could say I started with 4 cookies and I took away 3 cookies. Then how many do I have left? That's what we're going to try to figure out, okay? All right, so then remember we circle the greater number, and in this case it is 4. Go ahead and do that. All right, and then remember I'm taking away, so I'm going to slash 3. All right, now go ahead and draw 4 dots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that I'm going to slash through how many? 3. I'm not drawing 3 more because that would be addition. I'm slashing through 3 of them. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left that I did not slash through or I did not take away? Just 1. So my answer is 1. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to give you some problems for you to work on your own. I'm just going to give you 4 problems. So let's do 8 minus 5, 6 minus 4, 7 minus 5, and let's do a hard one. Let's do 10 minus 8. Okay, so these are the problems that you are going to work on your own. I'm trying to make sure there's no glare so you can see them good. There we go. Okay, so those are the ones I want you to work on your own, and make sure that you are having your parent or a sibling check it to make sure that you're doing it right. Also, make sure that you are using your same strategy that we were just working on, where we're circling our sign so we know what to do. We're circling our greater number and slashing through our smaller number so we know that we're going to take that many away. Okay? All right, so go ahead and work these problems on your own, and hopefully you get them all right. Bye, guys.